Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be looking at the Amazon KDP look inside feature and what it has changed to. Amazon upgrade their site. They have changed the look inside feature of books on Amazon to read sample. But before then, let me show you the look inside the feature of Amazon before they change it to the read sample. So as you can all see here, the look inside, can you see the look inside was formerly used by Amazon before they upgraded their site, and the look inside makes it more easier for buyers to look inside your book and see what they want to buy. Amazon decided to upgrade their site. They changed it to something else. They changed it to something called read sample, and let me show you how the read sample is and where you can see it. Can you see this read sample is under the ebook now? Before the look inside feature is up, is at the top of the book, but now it is now under and it is changed to read sample. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.